Hello guys, let's start our third class, that is difference between SAP ECC and SAP S4HANA. Welcome back to our SAP S4HANA learning series. In this video we are going to explain something many beginners find confusing. So what's the difference between SAP ECC and SAP S4HANA? Don't worry, we will keep it super simpler like comparing two types of phones or cars. Let's go. ECC is older and SAP S4HANA is newer. ECC is the older version of SAP and SAP S4HANA is the newer, faster and smarter version. Example, ECC is like a keypad phone, S4HANA is like a smartphone that is faster, touch enabled and more powerful. The second difference is SAP S4HANA uses HANA database. ECC can run on any database like Oracle or SQL. SAP S4HANA only runs on the HANA database, which is super fast and works in real time. Example, ECC is like searching for a file in a big old cabinet, while S4HANA is like typing the file name in a Google and getting results instantly. Now, the third difference is simpler data structure in SAP S4HANA. SAP S4HANA combines multiple tables into only one, that is SEDOCA, so making it faster and easier to use. Example, ECC stores data in many folders while like a messy task, while SAP S4HANA keeps things in one folder that is neat and quick to access. The fourth one is business partner concept. In ECC, customers and vendors were managed separately, while in SAP S4HANA, both are managed together using a business partner concept. Example, ECC has two contact lists, one for friends and one for family, while SAP S4HANA has just one contact list for everyone, that is smarter and easier. The fifth one is new user interface, new Fiori user interface. ECC has the traditionally grey SAP GUI screen, while SAP S4HANA offers a colorful modern Fiori interface also. Looks like a mobile app and works on phones too. Example, ECC is like using Windows 98, that is very older, while SAP S4HANA is using like a sleek tablet with icons and touch gesture. The sixth one is simplified process and reports. SAP S4HANA removes old unused transactions, obsolete all the old unused transactions and simplifies reporting. No more waiting hours for hours to get reports. For example, in ECC you wait for a printout, in SAP S4HANA you see everything instantly on your screen. The seventh one is cloud ready and future proof. SAP S4HANA is ready for the cloud and connects easily with AI, analytics and modern apps. ECC is like a desktop computer while S4HANA is like a laptop with internet, mobile, smart and future ready. So for a quick summary, we can see that ECC is a old, S4HANA is a new. ECC is slower, S4HANA is a real time. ECC is complex, S4HANA is simple. ECC is having only SAP GUI, while S4HANA is having Fiori apps. ECC is having many databases like Oracle, SQL, while S4HANA has only HANA database. ECC is having separate customer and vendor, while S4HANA has business partner concept that is combining both the customer and vendor in one. So now you know SAP ECC and S4HANA are like old versus new technology. S4HANA is faster, cleaner, smarter, and it's the future. In the next video, we will learn how SAP is actually implemented in a company step by step. Don't miss that. If this made your SAP route simpler, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.